If you want to enable USB debugging on your Galaxy Tab A9 or the A9 Plus 5G, so in this video I will show you how you can do that. First of all, just go to Settings, and under Settings just scroll down and tap on About Tablet. From here, just tap on Software Information. Now on this page, just tap on the build number a few times until you enable developer options. Now just enter your lock screen PIN, then tap on Continue. Now just select OK. Now after you enable the developer option settings, under the settings page, just scroll down and you will find the option of developer options. Now just tap on it. Now under the developer options settings, just scroll down and under the debugging section, you will find the option of USB debugging. Now to enable USB debugging, just enable this toggle, then select OK. And after you do that, you will enable USB debugging on your tablet. And this is how you can enable USB debugging on the Galaxy Tab A9 or the A9 Plus 5G. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching.